I just want to show you my little festool XL station.
Go over it.
Yeah. So I just want to show you my festool station. It's like a stationary base for the festool domino XL. And I've made this station specifically for doors. When I make doors for cabinets, they are 24mm thick. And I wasn't really happy about the way I was handling the machine, especially on the rails. I always found it a bit awkward to hold the piece, and the machine is durable but not comfortable. And when you do quite a few in one go, I thought I'd make myself this little station. It's pretty crude. It's pretty rudimental. It's just one sheet of 80mm plywood with another sheet of 6mm plywoods, proper glue, proper flat, and then there's just two holes here to accommodate for a couple of screws which screw into the base. Those holes already exist. You don't need to do any modifications to the machine itself, and that works pretty well. The idea is the machine sits below these plates. This one is like 6mm higher, and that gives you the perfect center for 24mm stock. This does for you as well is the fence. I was never really happy with using the parallel fence. There's two reasons for it. The first one is that I found to get the fence parallel to the stock is always a bit of a mission, really. It's you know, if you ever so lucky to get it parallel, that's fine. But mine that doesn't really sit perfectly parallel, so it's a bit of a bummer. But there you are. And also, the presets are like, the idea is great to have presets so you can always go back to the same setting. In essence, is great, but the presets are never the right one for me. Like even if it's just by 1mm or by 2mm, it's kind of annoying. I never really used the right. It's never really to the right height for me, so I don't really use this. And I always prefer, like my biscuit machine, I always preferred using the base as a reference. It's more reliable. It's a lot faster. It's just easier, really. So I'm gonna show you how I set this up. For this one, actually, this is 22mm stop because I'm gonna put some kitchen sprung hinges on it, concealed hinges. So I've made myself a 4mm spacer, which is just a bit of a hardback. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is to put this up. So you can actually take the base off to make this easier.
We'll do that finally. This Manic Street Preachers, there's something new from Janelle Monáe. Also, one or two interesting bits and pieces which we're sorting through, which we'll get to. But it's all new stuff in the final hour, and who buying a guest this week. Paul Hartman from Orbital joining us. Also, broadcast from Malta, Gemma Cannon, and Don Thomas from Manic Street Preachers, whose forthcoming album is absolutely round.
Let's give it the clamps.
I think it could be one of those. It's one of those albums which I think could be an album of the year by the end of the year. Pretty much.
There we are. Another one here.
It's a really blunt sounding record. One of this album. Anyway, Don's here. So Gemma Cannon, Paul Hartman, plus any comments you'd like to contribute yourselves via social media 64146.
And there you are. And you can still use the pins as a reference. There we are. So I've done a few already. There are some which are not yet done. So here we are. Hook up power and the vacuum. So yeah, it doesn't take a whole lot of time to set up, which is quite cool. And there we are. So I find it just a lot easier, a lot more stable to use, and you can really can quite a few in a short time using this. And especially on the while, I always thought holding the machine with the plate down, with clamping and stuff, it just takes an awful lot of time, and I always find it a bit awkward with the parallel fence. Like this, it's really nice and flat. It just really feels steady. I think it feels a lot safer to use this way. I hope this helps. Thank you.